Okay, it's about ready to come out of here. So what I did is I took off the muffler. Like I said, it was only 3 bolts to take it off. Pretty easy. Uh, then I took off that bolt off of the tire, and then I beat it to knock it out of there. I had to lift it up and adjust that motor a little bit in order to sort of get out of it, but it was pretty easy. It took me about less than 5 minutes. And so I'm about to take the whole thing apart and separate the motor, the tire, and this casing drivetrain. That's what I'm gonna call it, the drivetrain casing on this side. And then we'll separate it from there to see what if we could use the whole thing or not, half of it or whatever we can do. We'll go from there. All right. Take some pictures. That's what I'm doing right now in order to for reference. Uh, so when I screw up, I can put it online and say this is where I screwed up at.